aircraft signal interference, it is displaying on the screen. And right now the drone is 1500 meters away from me, and it's still rolling. I'll keep you posted. And the distance is approaching almost 2 kilometers, that is 2000 meters, and it's still rolling. And I got 21 satellite towers, and the connectivity is pretty good. Let's see what happens next. Right now it's 3200 meters away from me, and it is rolling on 52 meters. सिग्नल लॉस्ट हो गया, सिग्नल लॉस्ट हो गया। आहो आपे वापस आएगा, वापस तो ओदे ते ध्यान रखी, ओदे ते ध्यान रखी। बस ठीक है, आ जाओ तुसी भी। आहो right now it is coming back from 3200 meters. RC is still not connected. नहीं नहीं, ड्रोन ते ध्यान रखो, मेरा सिग्नल लॉस्ट हो गया वा, घर वापस आन दिया वा। आहो आहो आ जाओ, नाल 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 आ जाओ हुण। It is returning home from the maximum distance it has covered, because I'm not away from the city. I'm not too away from the city, and it gave only 3200 meters of the range and started disconnecting from the RC. Right now it's hovering over fields to reach me in RTH mode. It has automatically enabled the return to home command. And while we review the distance range and signal range of this aircraft, you can enjoy the scenic beauty of fields of the Punjab state of India. It is giving me immersive video of chasing a car in the beautiful green fields of Punjab. You can see their beautiful homes are situated inside the green fields. Right now it is coming back to me, and still away from me at 1100 meters of distance. And you can see my guys are chasing the drone so that we should not lose our aircraft. And it's still coming, and now it is only away for 500 meters. It's still coming. There I am standing at the car, and there you can see. Yeah, and here it is. It has come to me successfully. Here it is. You can see a drone coming to me. I'll show you.
Landing.
Here we are standing, and there it is coming. You can see the drone hovering down, approaching us. I'm doing nothing. You can see I'm doing nothing. It is coming to us.